in short there. Looking to target lows. Fuck, fuck that whole shit up. Stop sitting above here. So 188, 189.50. Just gave me a displacement. So we'll see what happens here. This is the draw though, but the draw on the higher time frame is lower to this low here, which is what I'm looking for. We are tapping into this 5 minute. It'll be like a, what would the stop be? It would be like a, all right, let's just tap this gap right here. I would love to see this draw a lot lower right now. We've met a higher time frame inefficiency. Even though the hourly gap held on NQ, it got inversed on ES, so I feel like this is what would send us lower here, but we'll see what happens. I feel like my stop is valid above. Could even run above this short-term high right here to be safe, but I think this would be a valid stop just because we formed this gap here and it sent us lower the first time. So, but how much difference with 285? I'm risking like 25. All right, so this is a valid stop. We're just gonna run it like literally at 25 points then. So 191. Above the breaker and the mitigation. We ran buy stop or short stops right here. So we just took this short term low and gave NQ a bullish SMT. The way it's looking right now, it's like the price is still respecting this breaker block right here. But the way it's looking, it's like it's fighting. It's like ES wants to draw lower, NQ wants to draw higher. So I mean, if I were to get stopped out on this trade right here, I'll be a lot more cautious whenever things get inverse. Because even if you took longs here, I mean, yeah, you're in profit, but like your draw would have been New York Open. You're sitting through all of this chop right now. So for me, I mean, The only thing I can see right now is for us to, like how we closed right there a little bit, like right here, right on this breaking line. If we were to take this short-term low, I mean, I'd literally just only be able to move my stop to here. This ran by short stops right here. This candle right here ran these short stops. All right, ES is meeting a point where it's like we just took that low, but I know the draw is going to be lower. We did just tie it. We took that low, so I mean, I could play the stop a lot more tight, maybe above this breaker, but right now I'm looking to target these lows here, maybe even Asia lows as of right now. We can leave a gap here, that'd be nice, but we're tapping into this 5 minute. All right. All right, well, this is the draw right here for ES. I'm gonna go ahead and de-risk my stop to above the model for about 20 points. Well, it'd really be this high right here, actually. I'm tripping. So the high is 108.75, 189.75. 189.75. We can leave a gap here, that'd be awesome. All right, we've left a gap. Hopefully this gap is what gets respected over that 5 minute. We've tapped it, and if we take this short-term low here, we can move stops. Dang near break even. If not, we risk 23 handles, and we'll come back in the second macro and see if we can get something. But as of right now, we are holding this 5 minute, just accumulating. Like it's getting pretty choppy right now. I really don't like my position. As of right now. Just swept this low too, gave NQ a hell of a bullish SMT. But like I said, if we can get this move lower to the short term low, it'd be nice. We kind of created somewhat of not equal lows, but um, low liquidity lows right here. So if we can get some sort of movement here, I would like that. 108.89.75. Like how we just tapped that breaker. If we feel the majority of that candle range and we don't take that short term low, I'm gonna move my stop above this breaker after we tap the breaker as it is. Really shit play. If I did move my stop, it would be that much. I'll let this play out. It's really trying against that 5 minute though. It really is. We just inversed the upper 5 minutes. So honestly, low key, soon as it taps this 5 minute here, I'm gonna move my stop above this breaker, unless it doesn't give it to us. But trading back into this 5 minute inverse right here. As soon as we tap this gap though, I'm moving stop to 181. If we get that. And only if we respect this breaker. Inverse that 1 minute. All right. In a minute here, I'll be moving my stop. As soon as it touches this box, if it does touch that box, I'm gonna be moving my stop. So, still respecting this breaker at 1027. Soon, all right, 181 is the stop for right now. Above that breaker, it should respect that breaker. And we just tapped a 5 minute that was not inversed. It's the lower 5 minute here. So risking a 15-point stop right now. But if it takes this low, I can move my stop to 178. All right, but as soon as ES touches this low right here, I got a close position, which sucks, but you know it is what it is. Give us a breaker at least right here. They didn't want to give us a breaker. All right, we created these equal lows. We might retrace into this 1 minute right here. See it move right through it. We are dead just accumulating right now. But we are so close to this low, bro. That's the only thing that's like really making me want to stay in this right now. Every bearish gap on ES has been getting respected as well. Like we're just ranging. Still not making this a breaker block. Alright, ES just traded back into this 1 minute gap. Let's see if we can reverse here. If we take this low right here, I'm gonna go break even or stop above this candle for at 170. If we take that low. Should attack that low and create this breaker right here. Should aggressively attack that low. After tapping this gap. Alright, stop move to 170. It's accurate stop placement for this trade. I do somewhat want to run above this breaker. It's not even a breaker yet, but we're just gonna leave it at 170. We didn't make it a breaker yet. We actually did make it. No, we didn't. I would want to see price run here. That's just me. Yes, they put in somewhat of a bullish SMT at these lows too. But I mean, we've been in this trade for a minute. I'm not tripping on just letting this run. All right, so right now we're probably not going to Come all the way down there is what I was gonna say. This is gonna be my last trade for the day though. I already took a trade pre-market, so if we get stopped out here, I'm done. But if I took a trade pre-market and got trailed out for about like 60 points, not 60 points, I'm tripping. $60. So we'd be like up $20 a day. We just swept liquidity and ran 5 minutes. So as of right now, oh, as of right now, honestly, this low is protected actually, because ES just took this low too. I'd really want to see us just turn around and take and just draw to this low here. ES should have been taking this low out. And honestly, we're coming up on macro too, so hmm. Yeah, we're coming up on macro too, so I mean, we might get this high ran right here. We might, just might, but I mean, I'm playing it safe. I'm not. I'm risking 4 points. We take this low, I'm going break even. All right, we just took this low. This should get aggressively ran through. I really don't want to go break even. I ain't gonna lie. I need to. It means 4 points. All right, as soon as we take this low, I'm out on everything, across all my accounts. We'll see what happens. If we displace lower too, I'm gonna move my stop break even. But this low should get tagged on ES probably even before NQ tags this low here. Go ahead and hover over. All right, I'm break even for sure now. And we'll see if what tags it first. We're floating up about 28 handles. Even inversed. It's looking like we're gonna inverse this 5 minute. ES just tagged this mitigation. NQ's about to tag the mitigation. We just tagged that mitigation there. I love that reaction. I love that reaction right there. If we take this short term low right here, I'm gonna move stop above the displacement candle. But honestly, like me personally, I feel like this should draw lower. We just tagged this volume imbalance on ES. Not that I don't really even be looking at volume imbalances, but we just inversed this big 5 minute too. So the draw is literally to this low. We're inside macro. We're drawing back into that 5 minute inverse right here. So right now I'm just looking for the manipulation lower. We'll see what happens. For some reason, I had a feeling that ES was going to try to draw back up all the way up into this 5 minute. Like, try to make some damn attempt, too. because we don't even have any imbalances on ES. Except this 1 minute. We might run this stop right here. ES. Real quick. Let's happen this breaker it made right here. Alright, I think we definitely gonna run stops right here on ES. Right here. I just ran that stop right there. I want to see us immediately shift around, shift gears here. I would just tag this breaker right here at 1033. Yeah. Stop that break even on my apexes. I didn't want to see this displaced right here. There we go. I mean, I like that aggressive sell right there. But damn, I forgot that live drawdown on ES on Apex be a bitch. Damn, I just got a new account and the drawdown. Damn, I forgot about that drawdown. Yeah, I should have moved my stop. I should have kept the same stuff I had on my top step. I want to see this gap get inversed here. Made equal lows right here. It's a good point to run right here. Got bearish SMT right now between these highs here. No need to sweep this short term high. I should be protected as of right now. Yeah, I mean, if I get stopped out break even here, I'm literally just gonna go on about my day. I don't even feel comfortable trading if, like, I don't really mess with how I just sat in that trade for this long and just got stopped out break even on my apex and potentially I'm gonna get stopped out on my top step. Which I probably am gonna get stopped out. Tag that breaker again too. What did I miss? And this was the entry I took right here. We haven't tested it yet technically, which is, I mean, that's good to see. Oh, we have just tested on NQ. All right, we'll see what happens. That's kind of unfortunate if this trade hits and I don't get it on my apex. That'd be pretty unfortunate. All right, as soon as ES takes his low right here, I'm out. All right, out right there. Whoa. All right. Dang, that's unfortunate. I got stopped out on the apex, bro. But you know, dang, I mean that is unfortunate. It is what it is. I mean, we still up $63 per account, but we secured about 36 handles, so we're up. Uh, mm, I need to do the math on that. But like about 45 handles, but down. I think I took like a small loss yesterday. I want to say about like I want to say we're up about around 40 handles or like 30 to 40 handles. But I ain't tripping. We're gonna get back to this. Another model might form to target higher because we didn't met this draw now on the hourly. So we'll see what happens. But yep.